Welcome to the channel Conservative Tech, where we're going to take a look at a few ideas on how to save money with cars, how to fix some computers, and how to fix some other gadgets that other people just don't cover. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and make sure you share this stuff, because some of this stuff is going to save a lot of people a lot of money. That's the goal.
Okay, purpose of this video is to test this new graphene. It's called Graph Oil. It's an engine additive, lubricant modifier, fully synthetic, graphite engine treatment. I'll show you the back of this real quick. The reason I'm going to test it is because I've already tried it in my Honda. Honda has a 3.0. The 3.0 has a problem with clicking lifters over 100,000 miles. That is 170,000. I put another brand in that car, and guess what? Clicking lifters went away. Now, what really surprised me is if I head out west, I hit this hill that's like a 45-degree incline. Car always downshifts, both the Honda and the Toyota downshift going up this hill. After I put that stuff in, the car did not downshift. So I thought I gotta do a video, add it into here, and on a 2000, this is a 2007 Toyota with a 3.5 liter. Everyone with a Toyota knows Toyotas have a problem with a clacking noise when it first starts because of the valve timing advance mechanism that clacks inside of there for the first half minute or so. That's supposed to be normal, not to worry about, but we're going to test it to see if that graphene is going to take that noise away. So today I'm going to take it for a short trip, get it warmed up, put the graphene in there, let it sit overnight, and we'll test it again. But right now, I'm gonna set up the camera. We'll do a cold start. It's been just changed the oil. It's been sitting all night, so we're gonna see if it still has that clacking noise. I just changed the oil, put in high mileage, full synthetic. First time I'm trying full synthetic, but you know, this is like the cheapest stuff you can find. So nothing special on the oil. So without any further ado, let me set up the camera, get it as close to the engine as possible. We'll do a start test and see if this camera will actually pick up that clacking noise, but the sound on this camera, as you can tell, is not really that great. So we'll see what it does. Okay, we're gonna start the test, which is a cold start, and see if we can pick up that clacking noise. You hear a little bit of clacking noise coming right from here. It's not belt noise, but you can hear it. Hopefully you can hear it on camera. Well, you give it a little bit of gas, and now you can hear that clacking noise went away. You can still hear a little bit of the belt noise, but as long as the clacking noise is not exceeding the belt noise, you're good to go. But we're going to add this graphene to it today, let it sit overnight, and then we're going to start the test tomorrow morning. Here we are, next day. We're going to try a cold start with the graphene in it. Just cold start, 86 degrees, about little bit warmer than outside temperature, which is about 89 degrees. So we're gonna give it a start, see how that graphene works. Hey, guess what? No more knocking. The knocking that we heard in here yesterday is gone. So I would say that graphene pretty much works. Anyway, I hope somebody else tries this. We're going to try to get this to some other testing websites to test it, and obviously Toyotas like to see it tested in a Honda before and after to get rid of that clicking noise in the lifters. But hey, to me this looks like a success. Never heard this engine so quiet. Well, I'm rather surprised at the results. If you're here in person, you notice the difference right away. It just cut down that clacking noise. And you can watch other videos on a Toyota 3.5, get an idea of what that clacking noise is. It's the valve advanced timing. But it just quieted it right down. First cold start right after that, worked great. So if you want to save yourself a little bit of money, extend the life of your vehicle, I'd try this graphene stuff. I mean, for the cost of it, it's like nothing. But I gotta remind you, if you're watching this video, depending on the quality of the sound on your phone or your laptop or your computer, you're gonna hear differences. You know, some of you might not notice it. Try it with the headphones on, you know, and see if you can hear the difference. But happy motoring, and get that graphene in the car, but quick.